Hi everyone, I hope you are all fine. In this video, I will show you how to auto-manage some Revit messages using PAN+. Let's start. Okay, let me show you a little example to know what I'm talking about. In this example, we have 4 walls and 1 floor. If I edit the floor and click yes, Revit offers me to attach these 4 walls to the floor. If I click yes, he will do the job automatically. Ctrl Z and edit the floor again and click OK. If I click no, nothing happens. Let me show you another example. We have here some levels and some floor plans. If I edit the floor plan name and click OK, Revit offers me to rename the level name as the plan attached to it. If I click yes, the level will be renamed. Ctrl Z, go here and rename it again. If I click no, nothing happens. Okay, where is the problem? The problem is when we edit the floor name and click enter. In most cases, we don't want to rename the level name to be like the floor plan name. We need to click in no. But most of users don't read the message and click on yes automatically. This will mix mistakes in the sheets. When we editing the model and edit the floor and click OK, we don't want to attach the walls to the floor, so we have to click on no. But user don't read the message and click on yes automatically. He didn't realize that he damaged the model. So how can we prevent user from making these mistakes? We can prevent user from doing these mistakes by using PAN+. Go to Solve It Plus tab, click on PAN+. This is the interface of the plugin. Here we can find some messages like the one we show when we edit the model. Would you like walls that go up to this floor level to attach to its bottom? If I check it and close the program and edit the floor again, click on yes, we don't get the message. If we go to Solve It Plus, click on PAN+, uncheck this message, close and edit the floor, we have the message again. Go to PAN+ again, check this message and rename the floor name. We don't get the message. If uncheck, rename it again, the message appears. To use BAM Plus correctly, type here the message you want to auto answer as the Revit choice to you. Would you like to rename corresponding level and views with the same capital and small letters, spaces, question marks, and so on. Type here the auto answer you want and add it to the list. But be careful, we can't have the same messages twice. This message will override this message. If you want this message with yes, delete this one. If you want to active the message with no, click here and delete this one. You can also active BAM Plus or deactivate it from this option. If we select all messages and click and deactivate, edit the floor, the message will appear. If we click on BAM Plus and activate it, messages will be activated. As you can see. Okay, I hope this was useful and see you soon with new plugins and tricks. Bye bye.